Hi, my name's Grace and I'm an employment and workplace relations lawyer at Law Squared, and today we're going to be talking about anti-discrimination, harassment and bullying in the workplace. I think this area is really important, especially for employers and employees moving into 2023. It's a really hot button topic and employers are really under the microscope at the moment, especially with the new changes in legislation and the Respect at Work Act. I think it's also a really important area, specifically from the employer side, because there's a lot of things that can go wrong if you don't get it right. Significant consequences for employers in terms of fines, but also reputational damage as well if things get into the media. But also finally from an employee side, everyone has a part to play. So everyone has a duty of care to one another to make sure that they're providing that safe working environment to each other through their acts and any omissions that they don't do. So I think it's a really important thing that they understand what their obligations and responsibilities are under the legislation to ensure that safe working environment that's free from harm for all. So the potential consequences for employers that we see often are significant financial penalties under the OH&S legislation, significant reputational damage if it gets out into the media or if it's quite a high profile case, worse service delivery. You often get a lot of resignations or loss of good operators because of a toxic environment. You might also get a lot of workers' comp claims, but also a corresponding increase in workers' comp insurance premiums as well as a result of that. So because everyone has a responsibility in the workplace, whether you're at a low to mid-level employee level or at a board of directors level, everyone needs this type of training. There's also no concept of an innocent bystander anymore, so everyone has a part to play in this, and so it's really important that everyone understands their obligations here. So the best businesses in this area, we find, they're running training at all different levels of their business so people understand the responsibilities. They're implementing policies in this area to make sure people understand how to make or manage a complaint. They're cultivating, that team culture in the workplace that is inclusive. They've got that buy-in from leadership, but also, at the ground level, they're calling out bad behaviour if they see it from their colleagues.